Okay, now we should have done this at the beginning, maybe? That was probably a bad idea. Okay, Dad, do it a close-up. I mean, the person...
That camera can't die.
I mean, the channel.
Can't get injured, so...
I mean, like, the channel.
What?
The channel's person. Oh, man, that's...
Oh, it's the ring of fire.
Yeah, it's like the onion volcano.
No, like
Okay,
this.
Dad, tell me when I need to
No,
start.
it's like this.
No,
It's
you're
when,
wrong.
it's when like,
We should grab the fire extinguisher for this.
Like I said, fire extinguisher.
Leave it alone.
God, this is like a
Well, look at
exciting
flames
moment.
is kind of cool on how they react to the wind and
Dad,
rain.
like the thing in the middle of it is the person in the middle, and when they just go